The third thing that we are working on is articulation. Articulation. Say it with me. Articulation. Articulation is how clear your speech is. So it's basically how you pronounce each of your words. So, for example, this is me over articulating everything I say. That's over exaggerating, but I am making sure that you hear every letter, every sound, every t to my t's, every g to my g's. Okay? Articulation is how clear your speech will be. And this is going to help your audience understand you. So, this is what I want you to do. Read through your poem over articulating. Go through the whole thing like this. It's going to help you find those tricky words where you might need to practice. You might need to practice a couple words over and over because they're tricky for you to say. Now, with articulation, you might also find parts of your poem where you're going to need to slow your speed, and then parts where maybe your articulation will be very clear, and maybe you add a little speed to that spot. Just like right now, I'm adding a little speed. I'm saying it a little faster because I can still articulate it so that you can hear me clearly. Other times, you might need to slow your poem down. That way, you can clearly articulate what you are telling your audience in your poem. Remember, you have a message in your poem, right? You have something you're trying to tell them. So articulation will help make sure that your audience hears your overarching theme, what it is that you are trying to tell them in your poem. So read through your poem, over-exaggerating, and then find those tricky words where you might have a difficult time articulating clearly, and you might find that you speed up or slow down in certain spots of your poem. Articulation. Go.